Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. Okay, I am your computer and GK teacher from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, in previous video we have do the revisional exercises of topic first and second. Today I am going to take you the revision of topic 26, 27 and 28. Okay. So, we are doing the revision of topic 26, 27 and 28. Topic 26 is group names. The topic 26 is group names. Okay. In this, we have to identify these group words. We have to identify these word groups and write what they are. Once has been done for you. See here, first one is Sahara, Gobi, Thar, Achkama. Okay, Sahara, Gobi, Thar, Achkama. Can you guess? Can you guess the groups? And you have to say the particular word for that group. Yes, it is the name of deserts. It is the name of desert. See, desert is done here for you. Okay, after that then come to the next one, that is Andes, Rocky, Himalayas, Andes, Rocky, Himalayas, Alps. Okay, can you guess the name of this group? This is the name of mountains. This is the name of mountains. Okay. Again I repeat first one, Sahara, Gobi, Thar, Achkama. It is the name, it is the group's name. Tell me the group's name. It is the name of the groups. Yes. The name of this group is desert. Spelling is Desert. Desert. And second one, Andes, Rocky, Himalayas, Alps. This is the group of the Himalayas. This is the group of the Himalayas mountains. So the name of this group is mountains. The name of this group is mountains. Spelling is Mountains. Mountains. Then third, measles, allergy, polio, sleeping sickness. Okay. Measles, allergy, polio, sleeping sickness. Can you guess the name of this group? These are the diseases. These are the diseases. Spelling Disease. Disease. Then fourth one is Ganges, Yamuna, Indus, Kaveri. Ganges, Yamuna, Indus, Kaveri. Can you guess? Yes. It is the group of river. It is the group of river. It is the name of the rivers. So this is what is the word? This is river. Spelling is River. River. Then fifth, sunny, cloudy, foggy, windy. Can you guess the word for this group? Sunny, cloudy, foggy, windy. All these are the weathers. All these are the weathers. The spelling of weather is Weather. Weather. Then next come gold, silver, iron, copper. Gold, silver, iron, copper. All these are the what? Can you tell me the name of this group? All these are the metals. All these are the metals. Spelling is Metal. 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 Okay. Then next here, breeze, hurricane, tornado, cyclone. Breeze, hurricane, tornado, cyclone. Can you guess the name for this group? Can you say the word for this group? Yes, it is. All these are the seas. All these seas. Okay, the spelling of sea is SEA. The spelling of sea is SEA. In sea, this breeze, hurricane, tornado, cyclones, types of floods are occur. Okay, then come to the 8, that is flood, earthquake, drought, tsunami. Flood, earthquake, drought, tsunami. Can you give a word for this group? All these are the calamity. All these are the calamity. Spelling of calamity is CALAMITY. Calamity. Okay. Then 9. Tiger, elephant, bear, monkey. Tiger, elephant, bear, monkey. Can you guess? The names are what type of? Give a word. Yes, all these are the animals. All these are the animals. The spelling of animals is ANIMALS. Animals. Then 10. Soccer, cricket, squash, hockey. Soccer, cricket, squash, hockey. Can you guess a word for this group? All these are the list of sports. All these are the names of sports. The spelling of sport is SPORT. Sport. Okay. The spelling of sport is SPORT. Sports. Then come to the next. See here. Fly, mosquito, beetle, butterfly. 11th one is fly, mosquito, beetle, butterfly. All these are the group of what? Insects. All these are the group of insects. These are the names of the insects. So the spelling of insect is INSECTS. Okay, INSECTS. Insects. Then come to the next, that is 12. 12. Greek, Spanish, English, French. Greek, Spanish, English, French. Can you guess a word for this group? Yes. All these names are given here. All these are the what? Languages. All these are the languages. The spelling of languages is here. The spelling of languages is LANGUAGES. Languages. Okay. Then come to the next. That is 14. 14. Brother, nephew. Sorry, come to the next. It is 13. 13. Forehead, lips, thumb, knee. Forehead, lips, thumb, knee. Can you guess a word for this group? Yes, all these are the names of what group? All these names are given in this group are the body parts. These are the name of body parts. So, spelling of body part is BODY, body, PARTS, parts. Okay. Then come to the next, that is 14. Brother, nephew, niece, grandfather. Brother, nephew, niece, grandfather. Okay. So these are the. Can you guess a word for this group? All these are what? All these are the name of the relationships. All these are the name of the relationship. The spelling of relationship is RELATION, relation, SHIP, ship. Okay, RELATION, SHIP, relationship. After that come next, that is 15. Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Rahul Dravid, Virat Kohli. Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Rahul Dravid, Virat Kohli. Can you guess the name of? Can you guess a word for this group? Yeah, all these are the names of the cricket players. All these are the names of the cricket players. So, what is the spelling of cricket players? C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. P-L-A-Y-E-R-S, players, cricket players. Last one is 16. Tintin, Chhota Bheem, Jerry, Donald Duck. Tintin, Chhota Bheem, Jerry, Donald Duck. So all these, can you guess a word for all these names are given here? What type of group it is? Yes, all these are the name of the cartoons. All these are the name of the cartoon. The spelling of cartoon is here C-A-R-T-O-O-N, cartoon. Okay, C-A-R-T-O-O-N, cartoon. So by this we have completed topic 26 revision. Now come to the next topic, that is 27. In this topic we have to do the some proverbs are given here. Okay, a proverb is a short saying, infrequent and proverbs. In proverbs, what? Proverbs is a short saying, infrequent and widespread use that express a basic truth or practical perfect. Means proverbs क्या होते हैं? जो शॉर्ट में बोले जाते हैं लेकिन उसकी मीनिंग बहुत ही मीनिंगफुल मीनिंग होती है, बहुत ही वैल्यूएबल मीनिंग होती है. ठीक है. See here, the first one is, see here, given below are some well-known proverbs. Means complete them. नीचे कुछ ऐसे proverbs दिए हैं जो बहुत ही जाने माने हैं. अब इन्हें हमें आज इसका रिवीजन करेंगे. चलिए, फर्स्ट क्या है आपका? See here, first one is, when God closes one, can you guess the picture? Yes, it is door. When God closes one door, He opens another. मतलब भगवान जब एक दरवाज़ा बंद करता है तो दूसरा दरवाज़ा खोल देता है. हिंदी में कहते हैं कहावत और इंग्लिश में इट विल बी अ प्रोवर्ब्स. ओके, द स्पेलिंग ऑफ डोर इज DOOR, डोर. ओके, देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज सेकेंड वन. वर्क इज वर्शिप. वर्क इज वर्शिप, काम पूजा है. काम ही पूजा है. वर्क इज वर्शिप, काम क्या है? पूजा है. सो स्पेलिंग ऑफ वर्शिप इज WORSHIP, worship. Okay, then come to the third one. See here, friendship is like money, easier made than kept. Friendship is like money, easier made than kept. दोस्ती जो है पैसे की तरह है लेकिन उसे रखना बहुत ही आसान है. ओके, दोस्ती जो है पैसे की तरह है और उसे निभाना, उसे रखना आसान है. ओके, द स्पेलिंग ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप इज FRIENDSHIP, फ्रेंडशिप. मनी, द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मनी इज MONEY, मनी. फोर्थ वन, नेवर आस्क द वुमेन हर एज एंड द मैन हिज पैकेज. नेवर आस्क अ वुमन हर एज एंड अ मैन हिज पैकेज. मीन्स औरतों की कभी उम्र नहीं पूछनी चाहिए और मर्दों की कभी सैलरी नहीं पूछनी चाहिए. कहावत है, औरतों की कभी उम्र नहीं पूछनी चाहिए और मर्दों की कभी सैलरी नहीं पूछनी चाहिए. ओके, गॉट इट. नेवर आस्क अ वुमन हर एज एंड अ मैन हर हिज पैकेज. ओके, the spelling of woman is WOMAN, woman, and the spelling of man is MAN, man. Come to the fifth point. Fifth point is, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctors away. एक दिन में अगर हम हर रोज़ अगर हम एक एप्पल खाएं तो हम डॉक्टर से, एक दिन में एक एप्पल खाना मतलब हमें डॉक्टरों से दूर रखता है. ओके, सो अगर हम रोज़ एक एप्पल खाएं तो हम डॉक्टरों से दूर रहेंगे। द स्पेलिंग ऑफ एप्पल इज APPLE एप्पल एंड द स्पेलिंग ऑफ डॉक्टर्स इज DOCTOR डॉक्टर्स। कम टू द 6th point, it is all that glitter is not gold. All that glitter is not gold means हर चमकती हुई चीज़, हर पीली चमकती हुई चीज़ सोना नहीं होती है। हर पीली चमकने वाली चीज़ सोना नहीं होती है। ओके, द स्पेलिंग ऑफ गोल्ड इज GOLD गोल्ड। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट 7th one, that is diamond cuts diamond. Diamonds cuts diamonds means हीरा हीरे को काटता है। द स्पेलिंग ऑफ डायमंड इज DIAMONDS डायमंड्स। ओके, देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज 8. It is no use crying over spilt milk. It is no use crying over spilt milk. Okay? दूध गिर जाने से पे रोने से कुछ नहीं होता है। दूध गिर गया तो उस पे रोने से कुछ नहीं होता है। द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मिल्क इज MILK मिल्क। ओके, MILK milk. So by this we have done the revision of topic 26 and 27. Now we will go through the topic 28. See here, that is riddle me re. Riddle me re. In this, match the following riddle with their correct answer. Means we have to match the following with the correct answers. Okay, with the correct answers. So in this I will show you. First one is who wear this? It rhymes with rocks. Okay, who wear this? It rhymes with rocks. See here, rocks is the which word related to which word is the rhyme? It is rhymed with D. Socks. It is rhymes with the D. Rock is the rhyming word of socks. Spelling SOCKS socks. You read it. It rhymed with hook. You read it. It rhymed with hook. See here, hook is the rhyming word of book. 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 Okay. Then third one is it flies in the sky. It rhymed with curd. It flies in the sky and it rhymes with curd. Curd is related with the rhyming word. This is here M. It is bird. It is bird. Rhyming with bird. 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 Then fourth one, people drive this. People drives this. It rhymes with jar. People drive this. It rhymes with jar. That is answer is A. Car. Answer is A. Car. 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 Then fifth, we eat this on our birthday. It rhymes with make. Make is the rhyming word of cake. Cake is eating on the birthday. Spelling is CAKE. Cake. Sixth one, you play here. It rhymes with dark. You play here. It rhymes with dark. Means we are playing here. It is the place what? Park. And it rhymes with dark. Spelling of park is PARK. 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 Then come to the next, that is 7th one. People sit on this. People sit on this. It rhymes with care. People sit on this. It rhymes with care. That is, people sit on chair. The spelling of chair is CHAIR. Chair. You carry books in this. It rhymes with flag. You carry books on this. Daily you are coming to school now. You carry your books. Yeah, it is bag. It rhymes with what? Flag. The spelling of bag is BAG. Bag. Now come to the next. that is, it is one of the meals of the day. It is one of the meals of the day. It rhymes with bunch. It rhymes with bunch. Spelling is lunch. Answer is lunch. Spelling of lunch is L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. Then next, a singer, we eat this, 10th one, we eat this fruit. It rhymes with beer. Okay. And the name of fruit is pear. And it rhymes with beer. Answer is pear. Spelling of pear is P-E-A-R. Pear. 11th one, a singer sings this. It rhymes with long. What a singer sing? A singer sings the song. So, answer is song, and it rhymes with long. So spelling of song is S-O-N-G. Song. S-O-N-G. Song. And come to the 12th one, we sleep on this. It rhymes with dead. We sleep on what? We sleep on bed. We sleep on bed. B-E-D. Bed. Answer is bed. Okay. And it rhymes with dead. Come to the 13. It lives in the sea. It rhymes with wish. It lives in the sea. And it rhymes with wish. Means what lives in the sea? Yes. Fish. Fish lives in the sea. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. Fish. Then 14, we eat with this. It rhymes with soon. By what we eat? We eat from spoon. We eat with spoon. The spelling of spoon is S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. And it rhymes with soon. Then last one is, it is a cunning animal. It rhymes with box. It is a cunning animal. It rhymes with box. It means cunning animal is fox. F-O-X. Fox. Okay. So by this we have completed the revision of topic 26, 27, 28. We will meet in the next video with next revision. Bye. Then see you. Take care of yourself. Be concentrated with your studies.